Hey folks, you ever get that awkward vibe when you're stuck at a red light and some random stranger decides to play peekaboo with your car? Like, seriously, did I sign up for a reality show? Can I get some privacy here? And don't get me started on that scorching California heat. Sometimes it feels like your car is turning into a sauna, and the only way to stay cool is to crank the AC to the max. Annoying, right? Plus, those UV and infrared rays are doing a number on your skin and your car's interior. So what's the deal? Welcome to Monarch Motorsport, where we've got the ultimate solution, ceramic car tinting. No, it's not just about privacy. It's not that cheapo film that turns into a bubble fiesta and wrecks your car's swagger. We're talking next-gen film tech here, loaded with zillions of ceramic nanoparticles. After our pros work their magic, your car goes full-on dark mode and starts looking even more badass. But it's not just about style. Nano-ceramic tint blocks up to 68% of the heat, so your AC can chill out, and you can save a boatload on fuel or electricity. It's like getting a financial bonus on top of your car upgrade. And don't forget, your skin is going to love it too, with 99% UV protection and up to 92% defense against infrared rays. Sounds too good to be true, right? At Monarch Motorsport, we make your car fantasies come to life. Give us a ring at 424-440-4094 to score a personalized quote for your ride.